Oisin Power is the cutest boy in school. He's got great hair, a gorgeous smile, and most importantly, he cares about the environment. I never really noticed him until the fashion show, but I haven't stopped thinking about him since. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna flirt with a boy. I, Louise Edgar, am entering the world of romance.
Pass, I'm open! Rob, I'm open! Rob! Oisin, I'm open! Oisin! Spud, pass! Oisin, I'm open! Oisin, pass!
To you?
Don't pass to her, Ross! She's always sick! Not anymore.
Are you okay? I didn't...
I'm fine.
I know they say that love hurts, but this is not what I was expecting.
Oisin, seriously.
Psst. Hannah, come here. We can talk about the whole Louise Oisin thing.
Girls, just leave it.
Lou, has your flirting worked?
No, but
Do you trust me?
I guess.
And put a little faith in faith. Now, leave us be, so we can use our best flirting brains. Okay. I couldn't say this to your face. But I need to tell your beautiful face that I fancy you like rotten. Please write back soon. LOL. Lots of love. Al.
You have to tell Oisin that you wrote the note.
No chance.
Louise, you move on pretty quick.
Did you write this, Louise?
Oh, Faith did.
I definitely didn't write that, Louise.
I wrote it.
You? It's signed out.
That's a J, buddy.
Oh? Okay.
How about Saturday night? You, me, my dad could drive us to the cinema.
What? Is that the time? I gotta go. Sorry. Bye.
Yeah, what he said, but about you just not into Louise, sorry.
Hey, Rob.
All good?
Yeah, crisis averted. Though I never did get to flirt in the end.
I'm sure you will soon. And it mightn't be with Oisin.
Well, that wouldn't be so bad. Why is this awkward?
Flirting is awkward, I guess.
You're flirting?
You're flirting back.
Okay. Today I felt butterflies. And not for Oisin Power. For a boy I've known my whole life. Myself and Rob are just friends. Right? Still though, another list item unlocked. Not bad, Louise. Not bad.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Why are you using these massive things anyway?
You'll thank me when you're modeling to amazing music. Louise? What are you doing?
Can you help me find my purple dress?
In there?
Yeah. Oh my god, thank you!
No hassle.
It's not too iffy. I think we can get away with it. Thanks, Rob. Okay, so the Lawless family don't do hugs. Good to know.
Hello? Can anyone let us out? Your phone. You can call them.
It's in my bag. Sorry.
We're locked in, Louise. What are we gonna do? This isn't funny.
It's kind of funny.
You've been spending way too much time with Jess.
Rob, everything's gonna be okay.
Hairpin. Do you have a hairpin? I could use it to spring open the lock. I bet that would have worked. You always see people do it on TV. What happens if they never let us out?
We turn into zombies and wander the grounds looking for juicy brains.
Be looking for a while.
Have you seen?
Oh, you have it bad.
She doesn't think of me like that.
That was Zach.
Are you going to the school dance?
I hadn't thought about it.
Me neither. But maybe we could go together and dance.
I don't know, Louise.
I promise I won't step on your toes.
No, I don't think so.
I said we could dance together if there were no other options. I wasn't suggesting we get married or even go on a date.
And he ran away.
Bolted it.
I've watched every dating show ever made, and I know one thing about love.
What's that?
If a guy likes you, he's there for you. He shows up.
You know what? You're right. Look, I'm gonna dance my socks off and show Rob what he's missing.
I'm not going as your date if that's what you're hinting. School dances are not my thing.
You're grand.
It's like this, okay? To your right. Your right. That.
Wow. You're amazing.
Ow! Watch your toes.
So, Rob, why the sudden urge to shake it?
Do I need a reason? I'm a lover of music. I'm DJ Flawless.
Maybe it's because the school dance is coming up.
Yeah, and?
Maybe you're thinking of asking someone?
Hardly.
Have you guys seen this yet?
Yeah, it's sad, really. I guess that's what passes for entertainment around here.
I think it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Oh, I need a date, actually.
Okay, this again. Okay, Louise, you're a nice girl, you know that, but I just don't see us together that way, you know? Besides, I admire in someone else.
Oh, right. Pity.
I could go with you, Louise. I don't have a date either.
For real?
Yeah, sure, why not? Be fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna be brave too. I'm gonna tell Louise I like her.
You like Louise? Your face, I knew it. Good for you. Now's your chance. No, go.
So, this dance.
I have a date. I'm going to the dance with Oisin.
Cool. That's amazing, Louise.
You really think so?
Of course. Oisin's sound.
Jess, I'm going to the dance with Oisin.
Yeah, I heard.
Oh my God, we should all go together.
When hell freezes over.
So there's no one that you dance with?
No, but I might go anyways, just to make fun of you dopes.
Let's go plan.
Wanna play?
Teaching people this game has got to be our life's mission.
Do you think it'll make us millions?
Probably billions.
Don't be greedy.
Can you two stop being so childish?
No fun.
What did you say?
She's right. I brought her as my date. So. Go on, let's dance.
Here. Okay. So, this is a school dance. Meh.
You're a bit of a downer, Louise. Do you mind, like, cheering up a little?
Oh, sorry. Oh, I didn't think I'd have to be chatty for you, Oisin.
It's okay, buddy. You know, we could make the evening a little more interesting, if you'd like. Let's sneak outside and kiss. I'll spit out my gum.
You're grand. Thanks. Keep your gum.
What did I do? I thought that was mad romantic.
Hey. Hey. Good. Yeah.
Go after her.
You like him, don't you? Why'd you send him after Louise?
Sometimes being the better friend means putting the other person first.
Jess, we need to talk. Come on.
Dances are rubbish anyway.
I'm the problem, not the dance. My parents are separating.
I'm sorry, Lou. Do you want to talk about it?
Wait, don't you have to DJ?
Devrim was eyeing my booth, okay? They'll be fine.
You always show up for me, don't you?
Of course, Louise. I like you.
I like you too.